Finding a niche for your YouTube channel is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you identify a suitable niche. Identify your interests and passions. Start by listing your hobbies, interests, and passions. Consider what you genuinely enjoy or are knowledgeable about. Market research. Research popular niches on YouTube. Look for trends, keywords, and areas with a demand for content. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube's own search bar can help. Competitor analysis. Study successful YouTubers in your areas of interest. Analyze their content, engagement, and subscriber growth. Identify gaps or opportunities they haven't covered. Narrow down your niche. Refine your niche based on your research. Instead of choosing a broad category like fitness, you might focus on bodyweight workouts for beginners or vegan meal prep. Consider your target audience. Define your ideal viewer or target audience. Consider their demographics, interests, and problems you can help solve. Tailor your content to appeal to them. Unique selling proposition. Determine what sets your channel apart. Highlight what makes you unique, whether it's your personality, style, or approach to the niche. Content planning. Plan your content strategy. Create a content calendar with video ideas and titles. Ensure a balance between evergreen content and trending topics. Start creating. Begin producing and uploading content consistently. High-quality videos and regular uploads help build your audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers. Building a community around your niche is essential. Analyze and adapt. Track your video performance through YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't. Adjust your content strategy accordingly. Remember, finding the right niche may take time. Be patient, stay consistent, and be open to evolving your niche as you learn more about your audience's preferences.